Note tool in Photoshop. The use of Note tool in Photoshop is to organize your workspace, or let's say you are working with a group of graphic designer. So you can use the Note tool to add the notes. You can find the Note tool under this and click Note tool. Let's say I want to place a note here. You can click on that and you can write a note. Let's say I want this green to be changed into, let's say, yellow, and I'm adding the note to advise the other person that will work with this project to change the note. Once you click on that, it will appear this note tab here, or note panel, or you can add the note here. Let's say change this color into yellow, so the other person will know by the use of note. I can click a multi-notes. Let's say as I click more notes, it will create this number. Let's say I'm working with number 2 out of the 2, so I can write there change this into, let's say, orange. Can do that, so the other person will know that. The other thing you can do with note, you can change the color. Let's say Control Z. Let's say the active note that you are working with is with the icon of pencil here. That means that's the active selected or the selected note. You can change the color to, once you click on this color, you can change the color. Let's say blue, then click OK, and it will change to blue. Also click on this, you can change this also into, let's say, green, and click OK. You can do that way. You can also delete the note by clicking on this and press delete. Then it will ask you, are you sure to delete this note? You can click yes, or press Ctrl Z. You can select the individual note by going to these arrows. As you can see, it activates to that second note. You can click on delete on this and it will delete that. Click yes. What you can do also with note, let's say Ctrl Z. What you can do also, you can go to view to remove the note and click on the show, under show, uncheck the notes, so it will remove the notes from the display. But you can always look for here, the message is still here, and you can delete it here. Let's say you create a note here. You can also add the author. Let's say JAZDRAFT, and you can add note here, okay, for example, like that, and change the color to yellow. You can click on this also to view the message you type here. You can do that. So that's Note tool in Photoshop. I hope this video tutorial helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.